Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and today here in the studio with me as our model for this session we have the wonderful Wan. Hi Wan, thanks for being with us today, and please remember to check out her Instagram account, which is here on the screen. Well, as you can see, it looks like we have a party going on here today, and why not? Now, before we get into this video, I would like to give a heads up to one of my favorite YouTubers, one of my favorite content creators, one of the best photographers which I've seen on YouTube, and that is Gavin Hoey. Gavin has his own channel and also makes videos for Adorama TV. And this video is inspired on one of his videos which I saw recently, and it's related to Mylar. Now, Mylar is this tin foil looking material which you can see around the room. Each sheet of Mylar, which is about 1.20 meters by 2 meters, costs about €1.50, $1.50. In a moment, I'll take some photos of the setup because from this angle it's difficult to see. But apart from the Mylar, we also have some holographic colored paper here. It's transparent. It's the type of plastic sheeting which you put on your windows to keep out the sun or to create lighting effects indoors. So before we go any further, I'm just going to take those photos. So first of all, we're going to take a photo from the model's point of view, and you'll be able to see the lighting which I have here and also the holographic paper. Then we're going to take straight onto camera so that we can see the video lights behind the camera. And then we're going to take an angle from here as well, from the side, so that we can see how the Mylar is all set up. So we're going to take 5, 6, 8, 10 photos in this particular video, and we'll see the straight out of camera versions on the screen, and at the end of the video I will add some of the processed images. Now, these first photos that we're going to take, this first batch, is going to be done with just one flash. This is the newer Q3 200 flashlight, and it's on an S bracket with a snoot attached. So you can see there's a snoot here, and let's just try and slot that back in. And the light is being reflected very close, I would say maybe 25, 30 centimeters away from this holographic paper, and it's being shot into another sheet of Mylar. And this sheet of Mylar is probably about 60 centimeters away from the holographic paper. So we're going to have our model one standing here towards the reflection which is coming back. So our flash is being driven into the holographic paper, and from there it's hitting the Mylar, it's coming back, it's reflecting into the holographic paper again and spilling onto the Mylar behind, and some of the light will also spill onto one. And we'll take several different poses and get one to move so that we can see how the light affects only on split lighting on one side, and then as she moves around, how it envelops on this side, and then as she moves away, how it comes more as a rim light on this side as well. Okay, so then let's give this a try. So before one arrived, I was setting things up. As you can see, the Mylar is attached to a backdrop stand held up by my C-stands. We have a small light stand which is holding the holographic paper, and then we have another C-stand here which is holding the second, or the main Mylar. And this individual light, which we have right next to one, is acting as a key light only. It's the only light, the only flash which we have in the whole of this setup. So one of the things, the important things for you, one, is to keep away from that light. Yeah, so if you come over here a little bit more, yeah, because otherwise that light will be in the photo. All right. Okay, so let's take a few photos using this setup, which is the Mylar with a holographic transparent colored paper, and the Mylar behind one, as well as the key light which we have here, and the snoot which is attached. First of all, just with the one key light, and then we'll add in the LED continuous colored lights afterwards. Okay, so are you ready? Yep, let's go. And Okay, and now what we're going to do is add in the RGB tube lights. So let's just turn them on now. And these should just fill in one side of one's face and also add some extra color here to the background. Let's give it another try. Are we ready? Let's just take a look at some of the photos which we've just taken, and we can see that the light is looking really good on most of them. Some of them obviously are too dark because the short side of one's face was not lit enough, but others are absolutely superb. So there you have it, what you can do just with a few strips of Mylar and some holographic transparent paper. Absolutely beautiful. As always, you can find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video down here in the description section of this video. I hope you found the video interesting and useful, and please leave your comments or questions in the comment section down below as well. I always answer any comments which are left on my channel. Remember, if you do buy anything through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, but I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on this channel. Okay, so all that remains for me to say is thank you so much, Juan. You were amazing as always. Don't forget to check out her Instagram account, which you can see here on the screen below. Remember, if you liked this video and found it useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.